Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set your password on TikTok. So let's get started. First we're going to start off by clicking on the icon in our bottom right corner that says profile. It's going to take us to our main profile. Next we're going to click on the three stripes in the top right corner. We're going to select the third option we have, settings and privacy. Now here in the account section, we're going to click on the first option we have, account. And next we're going to select the second option that says password. For example, to set your password, you have to enter a 6-digit code that's going to be emailed to you. So here's our code. It's emailed to us. Now we're in and you see what your password must have. So it must have 8 characters, 1 letter, 1 number, and 1 special character. So now we're gonna go along and set your password. So now we're done. We're gonna click on next. And the password has been updated. And that's how you set or change your password on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye.